it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. Let me just fix my camera because it's so lopsided. There we go. When you're jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP group, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Oh my goodness, I've got everything all out of whack today. You can also go to my website, tellystalkingchalk.ca, where you will see my finished projects and the links to the websites, whether you're in Canada or the US. If you would like to know about Chalk Couture, hashtag Chalk in the comments. If you would like to know about Club Couture, hashtag Club in the comments. Now, I'm sorry about yesterday. We were trying to come live and things were just being wonky. I unfortunately didn't have a charged microphone, so it died halfway through. So we are going to do this one all over again, which is He is Risen. I know this is going to be a weird way to show you it, because it's already off its backer, because I let it dry last night so that it would be ready for today. We also wiped it off from yesterday as well, so I'm just going to lay this back down. I'm not going to fuzz it again. It is super sticky, but it should be fine. I just want to make sure that it's on here right. It's a little off. Let's do this again. Pull it nicely from the center so that it doesn't stretch, because then when you put it back down, it's not going to sit nicely. When you are jumping on, say hello. Let me know where you're coming in from. I always like to know when you've seen this, so hashtag replay, even if you're on the replay. Let me actually get into my post so I can see if you're here. Hopefully. I'm coming through my VIP page, or my VIP group, so I might not be able to see you. I don't know. Hopefully I will, because it's just shared between everything. So say hello. I see somebody jumped on. Maybe that was me. I never know with the number thing, because I know the number count the other day was messing up for everybody, and I'm probably wrecking my sound right now. Oh, this is super on tight. Alright, so I'm going to do the words in the white, and then I'm going to hot mess my coral and my daffodil. Let me check yep. I always get confused because I have a bunch of the yellows, and so I never know which ones I'm using. So let me just get this white part done. Now I probably will do the paste and peel method just because it's different parts, and I want to make sure that it doesn't dry in the transfer. Remember, these are reusable 8 to 12 times if you take good care of them, so that's why we want to make sure that it doesn't dry in the transfer. Even though this is water-soluble paste, it's just easier to get out of the transfer when you're washing it if it's not really stuck in there. We do have ink that you can use if you want to put it on fabric or on any cookware, on your appliances, anything like that. You would want to use ink. And I just realized the R comes right through this one leaf and through here. I didn't even realize that yesterday when we were doing this. So I'm glad that we're doing it again, because I probably messed that up yesterday. And that's not even actually the part I thought I messed up yesterday, so that's funny. Because I know yesterday I went and I put my finger in the H when I went to pull it up, causing it to smear. I am early today because I have a meeting So I always come early on Thursdays, 5 o'clock Eastern. So if you want to find me live, I am 7 o'clock Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, and 5 o'clock Eastern on Thursday. And then if I plan on doing an impromptu, I will do one on a weekend. I am looking for anybody that wants to host parties for me. I am booking, I believe, the 16th to the 22nd and 23rd to the 30th. As of right now, I'm going to pull this up. I have 3 parties booked already. If you want invites to any of them, let me know. Sorry, this is super sticky. I did fuzz it yesterday, but sometimes you just don't fuzz enough, and sometimes I don't want to over fuzz it because you don't want to lose all the stickiness. Alright, pushing all the bubbles out. I want to make sure that there's no bubbles so there's no leaking. I was trying to do that before, but I might have left a couple of them. I might have to actually get rid of this one because it keeps degrading and I keep pulling it and it doesn't seem to be helping it. Oh, I almost put that in backwards or upside down. Alright, so get some of this. I'll just dab it around. And now we're going to get the next one, and then we're just going to smush it around and see how it comes out. This is a pretty quick live, but I hope you enjoy it. I love making them, so if you want, come back and join, chat with me. Do all the things. We're just going around making sure that all of the silkscreen is covered. Now it will make some of it green, it will leave some of the blue and the yellow. So I love this technique. It's called the hot mess technique. The only thing is I have my stuff drying it because I have my AC on. We forgot to turn it off. So everything's drying super quick because it's hot in here and the cold trying to break through all at the same time. That's okay. Sure why I'm getting a message when I told him I was live, but anyway. So, what is everybody up to? Even if you were on the replay, talk with me and I will answer you back when I get a chance. Try not to put too much of the blue because it will overtake, but I like the blue. Okay, itchy eye. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, and I just used the yellow with the blue. Oops. I used the yellow squeegee that I was using. Alright, so we're just going to pull this back up. Ooh, that looked pretty. See, and so I did leave too much stick, so it is curling, which is Not the greatest, but it will be fine. As long as I'm pulling it even, hopefully it'll go back. But that is our finished project. Nice, short, and sweet, and really pretty. It's nice and simple. And you can do it too, so message me. Pardon? Okay, you gotta speak louder. That's all I hear. And then we have what we did 6 months ago, if not longer. I was wondering actually what was on the other side. I was like, what are you making me show? I actually didn't remember. So, those are the two sides. I'm going to put this back up this way because the other side's dry, because that was done already. I'm going to let that one dry, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm not exactly sure when I will be on tomorrow. Things are a little up in the air. I will message my page and my VIP group to let you know, and I will talk to you then. Bye, guys.